What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It is your boy Lex Money. We're in need of a base update today, guys. All right, what is up? What is up? What a week it's been, man. What a week it has been. I'm sure a lot of you guys watching the video right now, you're thinking, what the hell is going on? We're going to go check out the ETH chart. We'll check out all of our altcoin charts in a second. But look at the base portfolio right now. It is not looking too healthy right now, guys. It is not looking too healthy. What's going on here? There we go. Let's put ourselves here. We've got a lot of coins that are super down right now. And one of the most common questions that I'm getting from you guys is, are you still holding X? Are you still holding Y? Are you still holding this? Are you still holding that? Yes, I am holding these coins, guys. And it seems like the general consensus is when a coin is down, a lot of you guys come to me and you're like, should I sell it? Should I sell it? Should I get out now? Guys, this is like the worst mindset. If you've been invested in some projects, like some projects that are in our base portfolio here, a lot of ones that I think are going to recover and going to be solid, then why the hell would I be selling into a dump? Okay, if anything, I'm looking at picking up cheaper prices than maybe some of the average prices that we've got. Now, if we go and we have a bit of a recap, average buy price for Aero, 60 cents. We're 10% lower than that. Average buy price for Alien Base, 22 cents. Seemed like a good price at the time, now it's 7. Based Brett, right? 10 cents. Moonwell was 4 cents. Talent was 3.5. And Degen was 1. Okay? The thing that I do want to say, guys, is I posted this in February, right? And I said that if we fill the wick and then some, we're going to visit the lower area of the channel. We'll see where we are today at the end of the video. But we had a massive sell-off yesterday, and we went all the way down to 2K. I think it was like $2,001, right? And we can break a little bit lower, right? It looks like the lower area of the channel now, that slash the 0618 retracement, is going to be around just shy of 1700, so it's like 1679. So I'm targeting ETH anywhere between 1800 and 1600, and in that time I'm going to be going hard with my bigger position, so like ETH, and then with the larger cap positions as well. If you guys want to know what I'm going to be doing, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel, guys. It seems like no one's subscribing these days. Make sure you are subscribed. If you want to join the members club, you can. You don't have to. I'm going to be here to try and give you guys updates on what I'm doing, but this is my eyes on the prize right now. As I said to the members club, it doesn't really matter about altcoins right now. It's about what the big two are doing, Bitcoin and ETH. Again, this is why we only enter the longs on the confirmations, because we had our breakout and then we had that massive candle back in bearish engulfing candle, and now we could be trying to have a double bottom at around 42 cents. I never thought I would see the day that Aerodrome would have a full retrace from the all-time high back down to a double bottom level, right? So if we do get, 42 cents, I'll be going ham on Aerodrome. And something to bear in mind, guys, I do think that it may be a time to reconsider how high our price targets were. Okay, so it's not me flipping bearish, but let's say we do have a double bottom right down at 42 cents, then 1618 target would be a pretty, I would say, standard price target for a lot of investors, right? And that's going to be around $3.52. Okay, people are not going to like the fact that I'm saying, oh, $3.52 rather than $5 to $10. However, if we do have a double bottom at 42 cents, that's still going to be a 725% move. So right now, I'm not bearish, but I will be taking like max profits if we do return to $3.52. I take a lot, right? Anywhere between 500 to 1,000% returns, you got to start to take profits, guys, okay? Because you can see what can happen in the market very quickly. And while I don't think that the bull market is over, these things can turn into a bear market, right? There's going to be a point where this actually is the bear market for altcoins, okay? And people are going to have to wait 4 years for their coin to potentially come back, right? Why am I going to be picking it up at 42 cents? Well, because it is absolutely solid, guys. Coinbase Institutional, this quarter, they've welcomed 5 new entrants to the Coinbase 50 index, the Coin 50, okay? And Aerodrome is officially joined the Coinbase 50 index, bringing the world on chain via Base. We already told you that Coinbase was going to be one of the leading coins for Base. This is why I said Aerodrome is my biggest holding in my base portfolio still is true to this day, okay? I even picked up more at 60 cents yesterday, right? Maybe I'll pick up some more at 42 cents, but this is great to see that even though the price is bearish, still bullish things are coming out for Aero. Now, Moonwell, guys, all-time high monthly revenue in February. It generated $500,000 in revenue across Base, Optimism, and Moonbeam. You can, again, continue to add to the vaults. You can get the card. You can get virtual accounts. They're still building while the price is suffering. Now we come to the Moonwell chart. I'm sorry, it looks a bit like a mess. We had our green pickup zone, was like anywhere in the Coinbase listing / inception, right? We're in max fear for our altcoins right now. Where am I going to pick up my next bag of Moonwell? Well, right now I'm building a cash position to be buying altcoin lows, considering I do think that ETH is going to push the price down lower. 1618 is going to be around 2 cents. We're basically there, guys. Okay, we're nearly there. I think we are trying to target this 2 cents. Remember, Moonwell has been out before it got listed on Base, before it bridged over to Base. This thing was a fraction of a cent. So again, there can be a lot of selling pressure. However, I think 2 cents is an okay pickup area for Moonwell. Again, it's not going to be as a heavy position compared to Aerodrome, but for everybody wondering where could they be picking up Moonwell, should they be selling, then that's going to be the price that I'll be looking at, around 2.2 cents for Moonwell. Again, we need to reclaim around 4.5 cents to return bullish. Until we reclaim this, we can't really say that there's going to be a price reversal. And it really is going to be the case for a lot of our altcoins, guys. I drew this yesterday, right? Once we did lose the yellow line, we have to expect downwards price to around here. And we really are in extreme fear right now, okay? At sweeping the lows, our altcoins getting smashed. Total free looks like it's getting smashed along with ETH. Down here is going to be super hard for all of you guys to buy. But down here is where I'm personally going to be deploying like a big bulk of my capital. And one thing that I've been doing to try and capture more of ETH on this downwards move is through Pokpok. You guys already know the deal with Pokpok. I've been stacking some Pegg. I've been making some ETH. I'll show you one of my accounts here as well. They're actually adding a new pro mode coming to the game, along with some big milestones coming out this month, guys. Okay, so regardless of whether you are here for Pegg or not, they've got a lot of bullish news coming out for them. Okay, so you can use their Bitcoin and ETH strategy here as well, to long, to short. As you can see here as well, guys, if you are minting these POCs and you're trying to get some profit on your ETH, again, this is like a double whammy, because you can earn some POC points, and the more POC points that you do get, you're going to have a bigger allocation for when the POC token does go live at TGE, guys. So remember, Pegg did really, really well. If you want to get a chance in for getting some free tokens, then you can just spin this wheel. Currently, my Pokpok on my Phantom wallet, I minted this. I can't remember if it was a long or a short on ETH. I think I did a short on ETH. And now, over the past month, look, it's produced 131 Pegg. Okay, so again, we can earn ETH, we can earn Pegg, we could sell that Pegg for more ETH to then put back into the market. It's up to you guys how you do it, but I'm going to be using Pokpok to the max. Lastly, what I wanted to cover today was going to be talent. Again, if you guys want like specific base coins for me to cover, number one, make sure you are subscribed. Please subscribe, right? Let me know in the comments which specific base coins / projects you guys want me to cover, and I can do that more frequently. Talent Protocol team continue to build, and I don't really think that the price matches the project, right? They're actually trying to empower people who are building on base, right? They're giving them an incentive to be building on base. But you go and you check out the chart, guys. So a lot of you guys have been like super unhappy with the price of talent, and I completely understand that, because it is now pretty much below the inception point, but I just don't understand why it would be this low right now, guys. If we find the bottom some point, guys, then look, we still got like a 200% move all the way up to the 100 MA. But what I'm going to do for projects like talent, maybe some of the newer base coins that have come out, is I'm going to be waiting for signs of reversal, signs of change of character in the charts as well, right? We need a change of character around 2.2 cents to say that maybe we're going to start to return bullish. Remember, our first buy point for Talent Protocol was around here. If you do believe that when we look at the total 3, that we are eventually going to break out of here, that we're going to hold this bottom between the 0.55 and 0.618, which historically we have, and then we're going to have a sharp double, then I do think a lot of our coins are going to make a recovery. I don't think that we're going to have to, you know, sell for a loss. Okay, I'm definitely not trying to sell any coins for a loss, but what we need to do is keep a close eye on all of the coins in our base portfolio. You guys let me know what coins you want me to cover in the next video, but that's just a quick one on base. So again, if you made it this far, click the subscribe button for more base updates. Let me know how you're feeling about the market today. Are you ready for a $1,600 ETH? All comments are welcome. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.